for pro-aging, then let me also tell you that one of the nicest way that you can help your skin age or minimize the signs of aging is by incorporating retinol in your skincare routine. Hi guys, I'm Nia and I'm super excited to be back on our YouTube channel. I know it's been a while, but hey, I'm here, I'm super happy and I'm trying the retinol sandwich method. Does it really work? Do we really need it? Is there a way around it? We're going to figure all of that out in this video today. But before that, please make sure that you subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and that you also ring the bell icon so that you can stay updated with all our latest videos. Now, before we get into the viral retinol sandwich method and all of that, let's do a bit of a recap on what is retinol. Simply put, retinol basically is a catch-all phrase that is used for topical skincare products that contain vitamin A derivative. It is super useful in boosting the skin cell turnover. It is useful in also creating new collagen. It helps fade pigmentation. It's going to improve your skin's elasticity. It's going to improve the texture, and it's also going to smoothen any kind of rough skin patches. Now, if you want to know a little bit more about the basics of retinol, then I have just the right video for you. Just tap on the eye icon on the top right. Now, the reason why this method came into play is to reduce any kind of irritation or dryness that one can experience, especially if you're a first-time retinol user. So, to try out this method, you will obviously need a light moisturizer. I'm going to be using the Simple Water Boost. This is the Hydrating Gel Creme Moisturizer. And of course, you will need your trusty retinol. So, I'm going to be using this one right here. So, this is the Lakme Absolute Youth Infinity Serum. So what this method claims to do is that it basically creates a protective barrier between your skin and the retinol, while also allowing the retinol to get absorbed into your skin. Now this reduces any kind of potential irritation that may show up on the skin. Okay, so are you ready to make the non-edible but retinol topical sandwich? Well, I am. So the first step is that you go ahead and apply a light moisturizer. This becomes the base of your bread. Make sure that you apply it on a damp skin and you spread it all over your skin, and of course massage gently. Once it's completely absorbed into your skin, you're ready to move on to the next step. So the gel cream that I am using is by the brand Simple, which we all know has uncomplicated formulas and skin-loving ingredients. In this particular moisturizer's case, it has the moisturizing pentavitin, it has the smoothing panthenol, and of course it has the super hydrating glycerine. Time for the star ingredient, the retinol. This is also the filling of your sandwich. So go ahead and choose the retinol of your liking. I am obviously using one which has 89% Pro-Pure Retinol C complex. The additional benefit is that it's also going to help you fade any kind of dark spots, and it's going to smoothen any kind of rough patches. So once you've applied it onto your skin, make sure that you give it some time to get absorbed into your skin, and then you're ready to finish off your sandwich. Step 3 is by adding the top layer of the bread, and in this case you have to apply the second layer of the moisturizer. Let the moisturizer absorb into your skin and voila, you're done. Your retinol sandwich is ready. Drum rolls please. Here is my final verdict. So this is what I really think. If you are looking to minimize any kind of irritation that may happen because of retinol and you're trying to build your skin's tolerance towards retinol, then this method is fantastic. Because what is happening here is that you are applying a moisturizer which is giving your skin that kick of hydration, and it's also going to reduce the likelihood of the retinol molecules deeply sinking into your skin directly. So this way you are going to avoid any kind of redness, flaking, and any kind of sensitivity that may happen otherwise. Now let's talk about a different perspective regarding this retinol sandwich method. So the thing is, if you apply moisturizer before you apply retinol, it's going to basically reduce the efficacy of the retinol itself. Because as you know, moisturizers in most cases contain occlusive ingredients which create like a barrier on your skin, and thereby it is going to reduce the absorption of retinol in itself. But if you want to really give this trend a try, then I would really suggest that you stay away from the really heavy heavy and thick moisturizers. Instead, opt for something that is super lightweight like this one. So this one, like I was saying, is the Simple Water Boost Hydrating Gel Cream. Now, is there a way around using retinol without really doing the sandwich method? Sure, there is. All you gotta do is that you make sure that you pick a particular retinol which has moisturizing ingredients. In this case, I really like this one. This is the Lakme Youth Infinity Serum. What you can additionally also do is that you can spread the usage of retinol by making sure that you use it every alternate night of the week. So that was me trying out the viral retinol sandwich method. Just make sure that you apply SPF the next day, because what happens is that retinol essentially creates new skin. So you want to protect your skin from any kind of UV damage all the more. Hence, do not forget SPF. Now, if you've liked this video and if you want to purchase any of the products that I've shown in this video, then go ahead and check out the description box below for purchasing links. But as usual, go ahead and like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel. And of course, ring the bell icon, because why not? I'll see you in the next one. Bye.